Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Damadi03, and in this video I will be discussing a new pattern called difference of squares. In the previous video we talked about perfect square trinomials where we had the pattern if we have a plus b whole square, if we have a plus b whole square, then that's the same thing as a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. And if you haven't seen the previous videos already, please check them out so you can know why this is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. And if we have a squared plus a plus b whole square, then instead of a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, we're going to have a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. And today we will be going over a new pattern using the same a and b, and it's going to be called the difference of squares. So first, let's go ahead and complete a couple of expressions. Let's say we have x plus 7 times x minus 7. If we have x plus 7 times x minus 7, then it's going to be first x times x, which is x squared. Then we're going to have x times negative 7, which is negative 7x. And then we're going to have 7 times x, which is a plus 7x. And then negative 7 times a positive 7, which is minus 49. And if we go ahead and simplify that, we're left with x squared minus 49. Now if we go ahead and let's try another one, and please be looking out for a pattern. If we have x plus 3 times x minus 3 equals, okay, now let's multiply this out. First we get x squared, then we get the same plus 3x minus 3x, and so that's just 0x, so we can leave that blank. And then we get 3 times negative 3, which is a negative 9. Okay, now let's go ahead and try it with the coefficient, with x. Let's say we have 3x plus 7 times 3x minus 7. Okay, let's see what this expression equates to. 3x times 3x is 9x squared. 3x times negative 7 is a minus 21x. And then 7 times 3x is a plus 21x. And then 7 times a negative 7 is, of course, this negative 49 right there. And so if we if we go ahead and simplify this expression, we can get 9x squared minus 49. So what's the pattern that you guys spot here when we have 9x squared minus 49? You guys can go ahead and pause this video and look for one, but I'm gonna go ahead and just point it out right now. And that is, if we go ahead and write this like we wrote in our previous video, a squared plus, or a plus b whole squared, then we can use the same a and b and then do a squared minus b squared. Because you guys can see here, right? Actually, no, let me go do this way. We have a right here. Let's say this first term right here is a. Okay, and then let's say the second term right here is b, because we have the same term here and here, and here and here and here and here. So then we can do a plus b, right, because all of these are pluses, and then we can go ahead and do times a minus b, because all of these here are minuses, or subtractions. Okay, and then what would this equal to in terms of a and b? Well, right here when we have x plus 7 times x minus 7, we have x squared, and then 7 times negative 7 is 49. If whenever we have 3x plus 7 and then 3x minus 7, we get 3x times 3x, which is 9x squared, and then we get 7 times negative 7, which is a negative 49. So our pattern here is a squared, because we have 3x times 3x, or 3x times x, which is x squared, and then we get the negative square of the second term. So if our term was 5, let's say, right here and right here, then that would be x squared minus 25. So that means it's going to be a squared minus b squared. And this is called the difference of squares because you are taking the difference of two squares, right here and right here. Okay, now let's see if this pattern actually checks out or not. Okay, so let's say we have a more complicated term than just x and, or a and b. Let's say we have 5x plus, no, let's say we have 49x squared minus, because right here this is a minus, let's find another square, 81. Okay, using our pattern of a plus b times a minus b, we should get 7x, because 49x squared, if you take the square root of that, that's just 7x. And then we should get minus, because that's minus, and then the square root of 81 is 9. So we get 7x minus 9. Now, of course, we want to check that out instead of just leaving it like that. So let's see. If we have 7x plus 9, oh wait, no, sorry. That would be, oh god, my brain's not working today. So that'd be 7x minus 9 times 7x plus 9. Now we want to check that out, of course. So we're going to do 7x plus 9 times 7x minus 9. And then let's see what that equates to. So 7x times 7x is 49x squared. So first term is okay. Now let's see, 7x times negative 9. 9 times 7 is, okay, why is my brain so slow today? So that's going to be 63 minus 63x. And then we're going to have 9 times 7x. So that's plus 63x. And then 9 times negative 9, which is a negative 81. So we have 49x squared minus 81. And this right here is indeed the same as this right here. So we know that our pattern of a plus b times a minus b checks out all the time. So these are going to be two essential things that we can use in our next video about factoring. So please like and subscribe if you guys want to know when the next video comes out, and make sure that you guys can remember the a plus b times a minus b equals a squared minus b squared, and the a plus b whole square equals a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Have a great day.